here. Mellow's 75 centimetre. Hey, show us, brother. Woo! Yeah!
I've got an eel a minute ago and I thought, fuck, this is it.
The new Challenge Cup winner! Beautiful!
Well, not over yet.
Wow! Charlie's blowing away. He thought, you can't catch me on the gingerbread man.
Oi.
75. Gee, lucky you. Is your camera dead?
My camera, I just take the photo and it died.
Oh. Okay, take your hat off now. I don't. Beautiful. Here, one more. Get a. You hold it. Begin sideways like your arm. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Beautiful.
Or not, you right?
No, mate, it's yours. Beautiful.
Just put him in here.
Yeah, just we'll just put him in, swipe him away. Well, you wanted a big one, Mel, and you said you were hunting for the big one. Just backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. That's it. What a beast, eh? Well done, brother. You targeted it, and you did it.
Got it.
You didn't you? You see? Where'd you get it? Whereabouts? Just in the just
right there,
there, where the changeover.
Yeah.
See? Wow.
I got an eel before, and I thought, fuck, this is it. Beautiful. This kept going and going, and then this little mouth came up.
Yeah.
Thought, fuck, what's this?
Yeah.
And I knew it was a fucking eel, so I had to get rid of that. Went back up, came down. Mate, I knew he was there.
He did it. Well, look at that.
Beautiful. Did exactly what you said again.
Well, you beat my 84, over.
Have you got an 84? Okay, well, congratulations.
Well done.
But Mel just caught a 75 centimetre flathead, and we've just let it go. Bloody beast. Well done, Mel. Well done, Dermot, if you caught the 84.
No, I'm just pulling the first. I didn't catch the 84, but it was worth the sound of your voice.
Charlie will be shattered. He thought he had it in the bag, but the mallows has come through. Got something here now. A lot of drag. Oh, it is. It's a good size flathead, I think. Just splashing there. See what it is. Just out of my eyes here at the moment. Yeah. Now on a it's a 57.5 flathead on a one of the flick baits here, the Z-Man flick baits. Not a bad one. It was about the second time he had a go at this one, and got him. There's a gut hook there, so it's a good hit. It's about 400 ml of water in here, so it's.
The wind certainly came up here, almost blew me out of the boat a second ago. Had to put all the rod leashes on. It's on for young and old out here. I think we'll go hide up the mangroves. Out here, exposed to the sea, I don't think it's the place for me. Onward and upward. Dermot's sitting there with his anchor, half smart. Hey, think I'll go cut the rope.
I actually want to try and catch a big one, if you know what I mean. And this stretch here yesterday, at this time yesterday, this went crazy.
Take another hour because of the tide, because the tide will be surcharging out. That's when the tide was going out.
Right.
Okay, that's when everything gets washed down. Starting to just have a look at. It's just in the middle, just about to.
Seriously, yesterday this just went crazy.
I don't think you want to leave. Yep. Put my net on the wrong side. Oh shit! He's got a fight on him. If you can swim out here, that'll be handy. I'm gonna lose him. Well, that's a new one. Yeah, but I did it right-handed.
And looks like I've got a blackfish. Okay, all right. Here we go. So yeah. Blackfish Friday. Just put on the jackal chubby and got a good hit. He's coming in at the moment. Oh, nice flathead. Nice buddy. Oh no, it's not. What is this? The mullet. Oh, God. Oh, there you go. Well, you catch them all, don't you? Here. You're asking what they eat, Mel? Oh, here you go. I've had him, and 3 times I've lost him. Now this is the 4th time, so I'm going to see what it is. Oh, that's a flathead. Okay. Got a big one here. I think about 70. I think, I'm not sure. No. Oh. Geez. It's a fly, this one. Last one I put a 50. Let's see what that good one. Another good one here. Look at that. Oh, it's a big brim. Oh, that big, that's a big brim. Oh, that beautiful brim. Look at that. Beautiful brim. Have a look at him. Gotta let him go. He's a beauty, hey? It's a 35 centimetre brim on a grub. Beautiful, beautiful looking fish. Beautiful looking fish. Oh, black brim. See you later, mate. Those males wrapped the sandwiches up in 74 pieces of glad wrap. Keeps on going. Save the world. Oh, good on you, Mellows. Legend. I caught some.
Listen, yeah, hooked him. He gets off. I don't even let line out. I just throw my hook out again and fucking get him. He went again straight away. I'm like, you gotta be shitting me, man.
What a good place, eh?
This is a win.
Shh, we can't tell anyone.
Don't tell anyone about this place. Jeez. You know, last thing you want to see is another fucking kayak out there.
On the video, but then there's a kangaroo on the bank over there as we're heading home. It's what, 5 minutes to 7. Oh, and I just found the bottom. Thanks, Skip. Where the hell's he going? I might have a turn and shake the wall.